The clutch lever action on the 750 it felt dead, and it was really stiff and notchy. So before refitting the sprocket cover after the oil change, what I did was clean and lube both halves of the clutch cable. Also, and then perhaps more importantly, removed and dismantled the clutch release mechanism. Give it a really good clean up. Replaced a couple of the rusted out 1/8 inch ball bearings in the bearing cage. Then reassembled the mechanism and used lots of lubricant, lots of grease. Then with the mechanism back on the bike, set up the clutch cable with the correct tension and also the correct free play. And as you can now see, the clutch lever action is super smooth. It's got that nice spring back to it, and it's light enough that I can actually operate it with one finger. So another of the 101 jobs done, ticked off the list. Yeah, successful outcome, virtually no cost, maybe about an hour's worth of time and I don't know, a few pence worth of lubricant. So on to the next job. Catch you later. Bye for now.